Now, prayer meetings are being held in the Nepalese capital for more than 4,000 people dead in the earthquake. Headlines today's Manogya Loiwal reports from one such Prarthna Sabha.
A mass prayer has been organized here in Kathmandu, Nepal to express solidarity and of course extend all kind of spiritual approach and assistance to those who've lost their lives and those who are struggling in their lives after the quake shocks. I am here in Naxal area where prayers are on, where several people are participating in this prayer. Most of them are chanting mantras. These mantras are being chanted for those who've lost their lives, and most of them who have lost their lives and their families, and of course the approach. Ma'am, what is the reason for this prayer that you're organizing today?
We are praying for the people who have died out here in the earthquake, and the prayer is the only thing that they need now more than the help, so that their spirits can rest in peace out there. And the whole day we will be praying like this, and we would like to invite the people from Nepal more and more, so that they all can come here, pray with us, and may the soul rest in peace.
Of course, those soul rest in peace who've lost their lives, and of course their families also who are facing extremely turbulent times. The prayers that are being organized here have been organized by Acharya Mahashramanji, who is from India, who has been in Nepal camping for a lot of reasons here. But can you give us an idea on what is the whole approach of this prayer this time?
His Holiness Acharya Sri Mahashraman, who is the head of the Jain Theravada religion, given the order to all his followers to pray on this occasion of heavy earthquake for the Nepal and do the mantras chanting for their spiritual well-being and the welfare of the Nepali citizens. And in this hour, all India and whole spiritual world is with the Nepal. So for this, Acharya have cancelled the program of his birthday and instruct all to the followers to started the prayer.
Well, it's not only about followers, it's also about those people who've lost their lives, and the international support that has been extended from across the world, across the quarter. All sorts of countries have been approaching, but this is one assistance that the people of Nepal need the most for spiritual silency in life, and of course a little bit of mental peace that the aftershocks will not be able to deter them from the thought of a better living in life. With camera person Tapas Berry, this is Manogya Loiwal in Naxal, Kathmandu, Nepal for Headlines Today.